We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Everyone, today we learn harmonic function. In my last video, we have to learn Millin-Thomson method, which is we have to give a real part of u, then how to find imaginary part of v. We have to give an imaginary part of v, then how to find a real part of u. This Millin-Thomson method, this method is also applicable in our harmonic function. What is harmonic function? A function f of xy is said to be harmonic if double derivation of x plus double derivation of y equal to 0. Again, harmonic conjugate function, conjugate harmonic function. What is it? So we have to give an f of z is equal to u plus ib. Then v is called the conjugate harmonic function of u and u is called the conjugate harmonic function of v. Now we see some example. If we have to give one, let u is equal to 2x minus x cube plus 3xy square. Then show that it is harmonic function. Also find its harmonic conjugate. The word is new, harmonic conjugate, but we have to find the imaginary part of v. We have to give a u and we have to find the imaginary part of v. That is, we can apply Millin-Thomson method. We can apply for the imaginary part of v. We have to find imaginary part of v. We can apply Millin-Thomson method. Use here. First of all, we have to show that it is harmonic or not. So what is given 2x minus x cube plus 3xy square. First of all, harmonic function, we have to prove that double derivation of u, x with respect to x plus double derivation of y equal to 0. We have to show that is equal to 0. So we can find first derivation with respect to x. So what is it? Derivation with respect to x, that is 2. Derivation with respect to x, that is 3x square, plus derivation with respect to x, that is 3y square is a constant, and derivation with respect to x, that is 1. Now we can take again derivation with respect to x, 2 is a constant, that is 0, minus 3, derivation of x square, that is 2x. There is no term of x, that is that this is a constant term, and derivation of constant, that is 0. Our answer is minus 6x. Now we find uy. What is uy? That is derivation with respect to y. There is no term of y, that is see here x cube, there is no term of y, that is 0. Here 3x is a constant, derivation of y square, that is 2y. Our answer is 6xy. Now we can take again derivation of y, that is 6x is a constant, derivation of y, that is 1. Our answer is 6x. For harmonic conjugate, harmonic function, what is our LHS? uxx plus uyy. What is we have to find? uxx, that is minus 6x plus 6x, which is 0. That is our RHS. Therefore, given function is harmonic function. If it is satisfied this rule, it is called a harmonic function. Now it is harmonic function. Now we have to find a harmonic conjugate. Now we have to find harmonic conjugate. What is it? That is, we have to find V. In this case we use Millin-Thomson method. What is it? If you have to given a real part of U, in this case we use Millin-Thomson method. So if we have to given a real part of U, then what is its formula? F dash z is equal to del u by del x minus I del u by del y. We studied in my last lecture, so we don't discuss for f dash z is equal to del u by del x minus I del u by del y. Now what is our u? U is equal to 2x minus x cube plus 3xy square. We have to find del u by del x, that is 2 minus 3x square plus 3y square. Then find del u by del y. Is equal to, this term is 0, derivation with respect to y, therefore it is 0. यहाँ पे there is derivation with respect to y, that is 0. Only we have to do 3, 6xy. Put del u by del x, del u by del y in f dash z. F dash z is equal to, what is this del u by del x? That is 2 minus 3x square plus 3y square minus I into del u by del y, that is 6xy. Then what is our second step? Put x is equal to z, y is equal to 0 in RHS only. Then f dash z is equal to 2 minus 3z square, y equal to 0, that is 0, minus I into 0, because x is equal to 0 but y equal to 0, that is whole term is 0. We get f dash z is equal to 2 minus 3z square. Okay. Now taking integration with respect to z both sides, we get integration f dash z dz is equal to 2 is a constant, therefore outside the integration 1 dz minus integration z square dz plus constant c. See here, integration into derivation, that is 1, therefore our given function is f of z. Integration of 1, that is 2z, minus integration of z square, that is z cube by 3 plus c. Our answer is 2z, 3 is this cancel, minus z cube plus c. Now f of z is equal to 2 plus iv. Put z is equal to x plus iy minus x plus iy cube plus c. What is it? 2x plus 2iy minus a plus b cube. We use this formula, a plus b cube, that is x cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. We simplified this equation. We can get u plus ib is equal to 2x plus 2iy minus x cube I cube y square. Here we know that I square is equal to minus 1, that is I cube is equal to minus I. So we can put here minus I, y cube plus 3x square iy. Open this bracket, I into I, that is I square, that is minus 1, that is 3xy square. u plus ib is equal to, again we open this bracket, 2x plus 2iy minus x cube minus minus plus I by cube minus 3x square iy minus minus plus 3xy square. Now we can write first real part, 2x minus x cube plus 3xy square plus I into, we can common I, 2y plus y cube minus 3x square y. Comparing the real and imaginary part both side. See here, we have to compare real and imaginary part. What we have to give up? U is equal to 2x minus x cube plus 3xy square. We have already to given this. And what we have find? We have to find this. V is equal to 2y plus y cube minus 3x square y. This is called a harmonic conjugate of U. Thank you.